A facility has a generator for a single purpose, to operate when it is called upon. Fuel in a standby generator can sit in the tank for months or even years before it is used. Over that length of time, the fuel quality declines. Without quality fuel, a generator will eventually experience unexpected shutdowns and costly breakdowns. Fuel polishing is essential for ensuring a reliable fuel supply and that a generator will start and run when called upon. Ensuring your diesel generator is ready for an emergency requires you to have a quality fuel source. Diesel fuel polishing helps maintain quality fuel so your generator is ready for an emergency. Diesel fuel begins to break down in as little as 6 months, accumulating contaminants such as water, sediment, algae, and microbes. These impurities degrade fuel quality, leading to clogged filters, pumps, and injectors, causing unexpected shutdowns and critical failures. Over 90% of all engine failures are caused by poor fuel quality. Fuel polishing is a crucial technical cleaning process designed to rejuvenate fuel by removing contaminants. During this process, the stored fuel will pump through various filters and return to the storage tank. Fuel additives and stabilizers will be mixed in to increase the fuel quality. This process can be extremely cost-effective when compared to removing and replacing all the old, poor-quality fuel. Regular fuel sampling and analysis can help determine if polishing is needed. NFPA and Joint Commission for Accreditation of Hospital Organizations require diesel fuel to be tested annually, but facilities may want to opt for more frequent testing based on their risk tolerance, such as every 6 months to ensure a quality fuel supply. Regular fuel testing ensures that fuel quality remains within the desired range and allows for timely intervention if contamination is detected. Fuel polishing cycles vary based on volume and environmental conditions. Fuel polishing can save you thousands of dollars when compared to fuel replacement and help avoid unexpected shutdowns caused by poor fuel quality. Contact a member of our team to schedule a fuel sample and analysis to determine if you need diesel fuel polishing.